Hello friend. Now the 300 liters vacuum emulsifying mixer is ready to ship, and today we will test this machine for you. Okay. Firstly, you can check here. We have connect the machine with our electric power. So let me show you. When you receive this machine, you need to connect the machine with your factory three-phase electric power, like this. Here, this 3 wire is fire wire, and 0 wire, and this is ground wire. Okay, connect these wires with your factory electric power, and for here you can see. For here, because when we ship this machine, we will disassemble the electric control box, and when you receive it, you need to install it on the platform, and so you have to connect these wires. But you can see we have marked each wires, each cables, the number. So you need to connect them according to the number. For example, 16 connect with 16, 17 connect with 17. It's very easy. And here, 51 connect to 52. And I will take a picture about this. So when you receive this machine, just connect the wires according to the number. And yes, this is the electric power. And next, let me show you the water. For this machine, you have to connect it with your water source. Normally, tap water is okay, just like this. There are 2 pipes you can see. The small one is water inlet. You can connect it with your tap water, and the big one is water outlet. Drain water. So before you use this machine, you have to connect here, with your tap water, and this water is outlet. So let me show you inside of the machine. Here, this is the water inlet. You can see the water inlet have 2 functions for this machine. The first function is for the vacuum pump, and the second function is for cooling down the homogenizer mechanical seal. Let me show you here. You can see here this transparent pipe. The water also go from here and out from here. So before you use the vacuum function, the homogenizer, you have to make sure there are water source, and make sure this valve is keep open. And here, this is the steam heating system, and we have marked each pipes. This is the steam inlet, cooling water outlet, cooling water inlet, and this is the condensate water. And here, okay, so I will introduce you how to use this pipe and this valve. Firstly, here, this is the steam inlet. Connect it with your steam generator, and before you fill the steam into the jacket, you have to open these 2 valves. And then open this valve to let the steam go into the jacket. Then the steam will go through this pipe, and you can see here, go from here, and the steam will go out from this pipe. Okay, here, when this valve open about 2 to 5 minutes, you can close this valve. Yeah, because this pipe is for quickly drain the condensate water, and after 2 to 5 minutes, you can close this valve. And for this valve, you can keep it open because this is the water trap. The water trap is for pass the condensate water, but prevent the steam water go out from this pipe. So when use the steam heating function, this valve is keep open. Okay, and after the production, we want to cooling down the temperature. Yeah, close this valve and close this steam inlet valve, and then here you can see here are cooling water inlet and cooling water outlet. Yeah, here you can connect with your tap water, or if your factory has like a water chiller system, you can connect with your cooling water. And then open this cooling water valve. But before open this valve, yeah, you should open this water outlet valve firstly. Yeah, because the jacket will have pressure. Yeah, and then open this valve. Okay, this is for cooling system. Okay, then let's test the functions of this vacuum emulsifying mixer. Firstly, let's have a look on the control panel. Here, we got emergency stop button and the warning light. This is the lightning switch. The lightning switch is control the light on the cover. Here you can see there is a LED light, and here is a glass window. Turn on the light and you can monitor the tank inside from here. Okay, and here we got 2 gauges for the voltmeter and for the current of the homogenizer. And here is the inverter for the mixing, inverter for the homogenizing. And here there are 3 temperature sensors to showing the actual temperature inside the oil tank, the water tank, and the main tank. Yeah, this is water tank, this is oil tank, and this is main tank. And here, this is the homogenizing timer. You can, like this, screw this to adjust the working time, to preset the working time of the homogenizer. For example, now it means 10 minutes. When the homogenizer working 10 minutes, it will stop automatically. And here there are some buttons of its functions. The green button, this is a light, and this green button means turn on the function. Red button means turn off the function. So you can see it's very easily for your operator, because we have showing each functions of the button. For example, like this is for oil tank mixing, this is for water tank mixing, main tank mixing, and the main tank homogenizing, the vacuum pump, the hydraulic up, hydraulic down, and dumping system. And here this button is a backup button for spare use. For example, you can connect this button with a pump for quickly discharge the finished output. Okay, then let's test the machine one by one. Let's test the functions. Okay, firstly we will turn on the mixing function of the main tank. here. Main tank mixing. Press it. And because for the main tank, the mixing system and the homogenizing system, they both have the inverter to adjust the speed. So when you turn on the mixing function of the main tank, you can see this light is on, and then you can adjust the speed by this inverter, by this screw. Okay, yeah, speed up. 帮我打开一下。Bidirectional mixing system. The inner mixer and the outer mixer will mix different ways. Okay, when we stop the mixing function, we need screw the inverter firstly and then turn off the mixing function. 不用关，等会儿看真正的，再打开，还是打开。Okay, then we test the homogenizer function. Okay, here homogenizer. Press it, and then screw the inverter. Yeah, to adjust the homogenizing speed. Dạ, 你帮我把这个桥调到最大，调到homogenizer。对，然后speed up，然后调低一点。Yeah, we can adjust the speed. Okay, and then turn off the homogenizer button. And then we will test the vacuum function of the main tank. 让我再盖上，拧紧一点，拧紧一点啊。For the vacuum function, yeah, we need to open this valve and make sure the other valves all closed. Yeah, close, okay. 等一下，你先打开，有被翘起来了。好，明白。Okay, this is the vacuum valve. Open this valve. And then we will turn on the vacuum button on the panel, and you can see the vacuum gauge. This black point will go down. Okay, let's open the vacuum function. Yeah, you can check this black point, this black arrow. Okay, then we can test the water tank and the oil tank, the mixing function of the water and oil tank. Firstly, turn on the water tank. This is the water tank. Like this, press it. Stop. And then oil tank. Okay, for the vacuum, now the vacuum is about -0.1 06. Yeah. And when you want to stop the vacuum function, you can press the red button of the vacuum. Press it and then close this valve to keep the vacuum. Okay. Okay, and when the main tank is under the vacuum state, you can suck the material from the water and oil tank. So I will show you. Here we prepare a transparent pipe and a stainless steel pipe here. The worker can hold the pipe like this. 你帮我插到这个锅里面，插到那个里面。Like this, and open this valve to suck the material from the oil tank. Yeah. You can see there are water go into the main tank. Okay. By this way, you can suck the raw material from water tank and oil tank. And OK， 没事，你把它拿上来，你等会儿再放上去。等一下啊，你先抓住，我把这一点不用插进去，我把这一点点水吸掉。有一个倒数的放在你桌上。好，把它挂上去吧。Yeah. Okay, this is the vacuum function, and then we will test the hydraulic system, the hydraulic up and hydraulic down of the main tank. Before we hydraulic the main tank, we need to release the vacuum from here. 等一下，你帮我开一下这个阀门，我教你开的时候你开啊。这个啊。Yeah, this is for release the vacuum, and we will check the gauge of the vacuum. It will become to 0. Okay, when the main tank is under the room pressure, we can use the hydraulic up system. 没事，你可以不抓了，可以的，可以。Hydraulic up, turn on this button. By the way, you can use the hydraulic system. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, when the cover go to the maximum height, it will stop automatically. And for the hydraulic down, it's the same here. Hydraulic down. This is hydraulic up. Hydraulic down. Press it. Yeah, it will go down to seal the cover. Yeah. Okay, let's hydraulic up the cover, and then we will test the dumping system for discharge the finished product. So we need to hydraulic up the cover. Okay, let's test the dumping system. Here, press it, keep pressing this button, keep press, and the tank will tilting to discharge the finish. You can see like this. Because there are water in the tank, so I stop it. Actually, the tank can dumping a little more than 90 degrees to discharge the finished product completely. Also, the worker can control the dumping system from here. You can see here, dumping. Okay, press it. And here should put a storage tank and reset button. Now for this function, you need to keep press it. Okay, this that's all for this 300 liters vacuum emulsifying mixer. Okay, thanks.